manners.
Ooh, I can see sun. I can see the sun out in the class. Boy, sun. No sun. No. Sun. The clouds are covering the sky. Wait. The rain, all the words of the rain is supposed to be the raindrops.
That's right. That's really cool, isn't it?
Rain on the black stuff. Rain on the black road. The rain is on both pages. It's on every single page. Rain on the red cow. Rain on the orange flower. See a car.
Look at all the rain. Look at all the words. Rain, 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 rain. Looks like rain.
And it's in there on the cover.
Right? That's a cool book.
And these both books I got from this red book class. Rain on the pumpkin. Rain on the flower. Rain on the white cup. Rain on the read the door. Rain, rain. Rain.
Whoa, show that last page.
Whoa! Rainbow.
Okay. And sometimes you just have to use your imagination.
Okay, you can use your mind.
Mm-hmm.
I can see a rainbow.
Good job. Is that the last page?
That's awesome.
Wasn't that an awesome story? Didn't she do an awesome job?
I like the rainbow.